Pictory is a really cool tool that I've actually been using for a couple years now. By the way, I have links to all of these videos or all of these websites that I'm going to be covering in the description of this video as well. But Pictory is a really cool tool that makes video creation easy. I have used this a couple different ways. I love this feature in particular, that you can just copy and paste a blog URL and turn it into a video. You can transform long videos into branded clips for social media. You can add captions. There's a team plan, which I have not done, but let's jump in here. I do just have a free account, so let me try and log into that real quick. Upon logging into Pictory, which is free, by the way, this is the first page that it takes you to. So we can do script to video, we can do article to video, edit video using text, and visuals to video. So let's just kind of jump through these one by one here. So script to video, I haven't actually tested this feature before, so this is a first time for me. So I have to actually generate the script first. It doesn't look like it generates it for me. Let's go over to ChatGPT and let's just get a quick script here. Let's just let this generate. Let me copy this script over. So let me take that, come over to Pictory. Let's paste that in. So we have our script in here. And now let's go to proceed. And so now we can choose any of these built-in templates that they have. It adds B-roll in the background and then text on screen. Let's see which one we like. Graceful looks pretty cool. Let's roll with that one. And let's do this 16 by 9. So this is going to take a couple minutes to process, I believe here. Pretty quick, actually. And if y'all like this, like, let me know. I'm going to do a lot more of these. Just want to help out. You know, I've been creating a lot of content. I have like almost 1,000 videos posted on YouTube, mostly shorts, a lot of long form. This is definitely a goal of mine. I just want to hang out with y'all a lot more. You want to come live? Come say hello. I want you to see my puppy. This is my doggo. This is my doggo. So it's creating the individual scenes. We pasted that script in there and here we go. So it turns it into individual scenes. And so with each scene, it has a background video and the text on there. And I have full custom control over it. So I can change out the background scene. Is that, oh, there we go. Cool. So each video is controlled in the individual scenes. So if I go back to story here, yeah, there we go. So I can just click on the new scene here, right? And this looks pretty cool though. So that's pretty cool. I assume the Getty Images goes away if you're on a paid plan and actually like publish and download the video. But it's pretty intuitive, like how to do this. And then you have all these editing things here, so I can like customize my branding and whatnot. But let me show you this cool like article to video feature, because this is one of my favorites. Why AI is taking over the world. So we can like find an article. Let's see if this is locked or not. I think we're good. So we can just copy this article from like Forbes.com and then we can paste that in. And then it's extracting key areas from the blog article. This is really the main way that I've used Pictory. I love this tool. Okay, cool. So what it did was it took that URL from this Forbes article that we found, right? And it extracted key elements. So it took the highlights from that article using a little bit of AI, and it shows you like where it actually highlighted everything, looks like, right? And it turns it into those individual scenes. And now it's going to be pretty similar to the last process as well. So you can just choose a template that we like, and let's do like a TikTok style or YouTube Shorts style thing here real quick. And so it takes those individual scenes and it's gonna turn those into the B-roll style videos with the text on screen and whatnot. We'll also take a look as well and make sure that we can add voice narration. So yeah, so here we go. So apply AI voiceover, upload voiceover, record voiceover. So let's just do the AI voiceover. Let's see what happens. Oh, I'm on the free plan. It looks like that's a paid upgrade. Are any of these free? Oh, some of them are. So some of them are free. All right, so let's take a look at this because this is pretty cool. I think that AI voiceover is a pretty new addition actually. Okay, applied. So let's preview what this video that we made in like 2 minutes from a Forbes article looks like.
Will AI take over the world? Or will you take charge of your world? There's been a lot of scary talk going around lately. Since then, AI has continued to improve while moving into new realms, some of which we now take for granted. Visit advertiser website Geo to page play Forbes business. Over the past few years, our consulting firm has helped mid-sized companies apply AI to analyze customer data for targeted marketing. In a podcast hosted by Harvard Business Review, guest experts agreed that generative AI is actually democratizing access to the highest levels of technology rather than shutting out the little guys.
You know, you can customize some of that. Like, it took like a weird call to action in there, or like, yeah, visit advertiser website, go to page play Forbes business. So we probably should have cut that section out, right? But that's pretty cool how fast we created a vertical video from highlighted sections of this Forbes article. I mean, think about the possibilities here of what you can create for content on your own website, or just industry specific topics as well. So that's Pictory. That was super cool. So if you're interested in signing up, checking out Pictory, I do have an affiliate link. Full disclaimer in the description, or just go to the website if it's helpful for you. I'm not even on the paid plan, just full transparency. Like, everything I just showed you how to do, you can do it for free. Experiment with it, see if it's for you. If it is, cool. If it's not, cool. I think it's a pretty solid tool though.